welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today's video is gonna be a challenge video, but it's a different challenge. So in today's video I'm gonna do random numbers pick my makeup challenge. So basically in this challenge I have 5 products of each category of makeup and I have numbered them from 1 to 5. Now I'll be using a random generator by Google which generates a random number, and whatever number comes from that generator I have to use the product of that number from the list. So that would be fun and it could be a mixture of really weird products. So yeah, let's start with the video. Also you can see glitter all over my face and clothes everywhere, and it's not out of fashion. I just opened my cupboard and the glitter box fell upon me, so my entire room is filled with glitter, my clothes, everything. So this is the best I could get out of. So yeah, let's start with the video. So starting off, our first product is obviously gonna be primer. So I'm gonna put the list right here of all the 5 products, and here I am using the Google generator right here. So let's generate a random number. So the number that I got is 2. So the primer which I got is number 2. So the primer in number 2 is SFR Colors primer. So this is the primer which I have to use. Now if you follow my videos, you know I don't use primers, I just use aloe vera gel, but I'm fine with it. It's a good primer. So yeah. So as it's a greenish kind of tinted primer, it gives a sheen to your face. Now it's time for foundation. So for foundation also I'm gonna generate a random number, and the list of all the products will be pasted here so you can have a look at the number. So let's generate the number. So the number which I got is so the foundation in my list at 4th number is Fit Me 120. So here's the foundation which I need to use. It's the Maybelline Fit Me and in the shade 125. It's perfectly my shade. Now as you can see, we are done with the foundation. Let's move on with the concealer. So for the concealer also I'm gonna generate a random number. So the number which I got is 1, and the first concealer in our list is the usual concealer which I use. It's the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So let's go in with that. Guys, now we are done with the concealer. Let's move on with the eye makeup. So for eye makeup I have not made any list. So what we are gonna do is, I have 2 palettes of different colors from this Makeup Revolution Reloaded. This one is the neutrals palette and this one is the cherry palette. So what I'm gonna do is, in total there are 30 shades. This has 15, this has 15. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna randomly generate numbers from 1 to 30. I'm gonna generate 2 numbers because that's enough. So whatever number comes I'm gonna use out of this. So the first random number which I have generated is 14. So the first palette is the neutrals palette. So out of this I'm gonna count the 14th shade. So we have 5 in each row, so the 14th shade is gonna be this shade. So let's use it. And also I'm gonna generate next number also, so that I can get the idea of which look I have to create using this. So yeah, the next number which I have generated is 15, which is exactly next to it. So I got a black shade. So let's see what I'm gonna do with this 2 shades. So these are pretty good combination. I'm gonna use this shade and using a fluffy brush. So yeah. So I'm not gonna darken it because the next shade which we have is black, so we have to be careful. So I'm not gonna darken it, just a light layer is enough. So that is it. Now with the black shade I'm just gonna line my upper and lower lash lines. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take this shade. I've taken a pointed brush. So yeah, smudge it so it doesn't look really dark. So I've used a little bit of black, not much. So now let's move towards the other, which is I will be using either liners or kajal. So we have to decide from both. So I have a list prepared, so I'm gonna paste it on the screen so you can have eye makeup. I have 4 options, which is a combination of liner, no liner, kajal, no kajal, and that different combinations. So let's see. So I think with this look, really bold kajal is gonna rock. So let's see what the generator picks up. So guys, the number which I have generated is 3, which is pretty much okay because 3 is kohl and no liner. So I'm okay with it. Like I can create my liner with the kohl also. Okay, one more thing which I forgot is with the kohl we also have a list of which kohl I have to use, and I am thinking to do a bold eye makeup look since we have no liner going on. So I hope I get a really pigmented liner. So let's generate numbers for the kohl. Guys, the list will be on the screen. So the kohl which I got, like the number which I got is 2. In our list, the second kohl is Jovi's kohl, which is pretty pigmented, and I'm happy with that. So here I have the kohl. So this one is the Jovi's kohl. So I'm gonna create a really bold eye look. So yeah, let's just do it. So first of all, lining the. So guys, I'm done with my look for kajal, and I have created a bold eye look. Now let's move on with the blush. So I'm gonna generate the number again. The number which I have got is 2, and in the list the second number is for Wet n Wild blush, which is quite pigmented also and goes with the look even it's a coral shade. So I'm done with the blush also, and let's move forward. So after the blush I have options for highlighter, so let's generate it. So for the highlighter which I got is 1, and in the list the first number is for Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, which I use all time. So let's go in with it. So guys, I got the highlighter. Almost done with the look, and the last thing which we have is a lipstick. So let's generate, and this is the main step. Like I have done bold eyes, so I just hope I don't get a loud lip color. So yeah, let's generate. So the lip color which I got is number 3, and in the list number 3 stands for NY Bay, which is a pink nude, so it would work with the look. Color which Mauve nude.